IC007 Single Function Chassis Assembly Process. First, let's begin with the assembly of the 5-star base section. Align the caster with the hole on the 5-star base and press it in firmly until it snaps into place. Loosen the adjustment knob on the foot ring. Insert the gas cylinder into the hole on the foot ring and tighten it. Remove the protective cap from the top of the gas cylinder. And that's it, the 5-star base is done. Next, we move on to the backrest installation. Insert the plastic washer into the screw hole. Place the backrest metal frame into the inner component, then insert the iron plate and outer shell in sequence. Insert the longer screw into the screw hole. The next part is more complex, so please pay close attention. Insert this short screw into the hole. Insert this thin pin into the screw hole to hold the screw in place and prevent it from falling out. Pry open the part and snap it into place over the screw hole. Insert the longest screw through the hole on the base. Slide on the shorter cup-shaped plastic part, the spring, and the round metal piece in sequence, then cover with the taller cup-shaped plastic part and tighten. Cup-shaped plastic part and tighten. Next, we move on to the seat assembly. Insert the plastic bushing into the screw hole. Place the seat and backrest together with the base onto the mechanism base and align it with the mounting holes. Take the shorter screw, insert it into the hole on the base, and tighten it securely. And that's it, the seat section is now complete. Align the holes on the upper section of the seat with the gas cylinder and lower it into place. Congratulations! The entire chair is now fully assembled.